Hi everyone, welcome to ChemoholicX, your one-stop channel for making chemistry simple, clear and exam ready. I'm starting this channel to help students preparing for the UPSC Geochemist Exam and other competitive exams. Here we will go through step by step through real exam questions, solve problems together and learn smart strategies to make chemistry crystal clear. In the beginning, I will be solving the previous UPSC Geochemist problems, explaining concepts in detail, and later I will add topic-wise lessons, shortcuts and tricks to make learning even easier. So, if you want to crack the exams with confidence or just fall in love with the chemistry, hit the subscribe button and do like the video and comment what you want to expect from the channel. And if you like the channel, please share it with others so that they can also be getting benefit from this. So I'm welcoming you all to join me on this channel.